All right, it's a slow day today. It's a Saturday and nothing much is happening. So I'm going to take up some time and produce some more stupid video magic tricks. Now this is a magic trick. This is a very old magic trick. In fact, it goes back a couple of thousand years, supposedly 2,000 years ago or something like that. Jesus turned water into wine. Now, I don't know if he used this exact method for doing it, the method I'm going to show you now, anyhow, it was done, and I'm going to do the same trick, but this time I'm going to do it with a video camera. Now, you mean not Diet Pepsi? Okay, all right. I've been corrected here. Today I'm going to use Diet Pepsi. I'm not going to use wine. I think the reason Jesus didn't use Diet Pepsi is they didn't have Diet Pepsi in those days. They didn't have Diet Coke either. I've been informed. They did not have Diet Coke. Anyway, I'm going to show you how it's done. It's a very simple trick, and then I'll explain it later on. I'm going to do the trick now. Here you see this ordinary glass of water sitting here on the table. Now I'm going to tap it with this pencil here, and when I tap it with the pencil, it will turn into wine, or in this case, Diet Pepsi. So watch this. Now you see what I've done is I've tapped it with a pencil and it changed immediately into wine. But the trick is reversible, so watch this. I'm going to do it again, but I'm going to do it backwards. I'm going to change the Diet Pepsi back into water. Alright, now you've seen how the trick is done. I changed the Diet Pepsi back into water, and then I tapped it again, and I changed the water back into Diet Pepsi. Now here's the trick. The trick is, it really wasn't water in the glass, not water in the glass. It's a special chemical, and this chemical is impact sensitive. The slightest jar initiates a chemical reaction which changes the color of the liquid. And it's a bistable. This is a bistable reaction. You tap it again, and the reaction reverses, and the dark liquid changes clear again. So you can go back and forth like this as many times as you like. Now the secret of it all is this special chemical. It's really not Diet Pepsi. I was just kidding about the Diet Pepsi. That just kind of makes the trick more interesting. If you're very interested, I'll explain how to make this chemical, which is a magician's very deep and dark secret.